Good morning. How are you, my class? Are you fine? Good. I am your ma'am Kiran, and this is your general knowledge class. And today's topic is prophets. And question number 1 is, who are the prophets? Who are the prophets? And answer is, prophets are the messenger of Allah. Who are the prophets? Prophets are the messenger of Allah. Messenger of Allah कौन है? इसका क्या मतलब है messenger of Allah? Messenger of Allah का मतलब है अल्लाह मियाँ के मैसेजेस लेकर आते हैं, जो अल्लाह मियाँ के पैगाम लेकर आते हैं, उन्हें कहते हैं messenger of Allah. So prophets are the messenger of Allah. Okay, class? You have to learn this question and email me. Okay? Bye bye. Thank you.